minutes of the meeting for specifically taking up the application of the good conduct time allowance law on Mayor Antonio Sanchez?
I'll check on that.
Sorry?
Yeah, I'll check on that, Your Honor.
I'll check on that. Or
Because we have already submitted the minutes.
have they submitted? Meron ba? Huh? August 6? Huh? I'm looking at August 6.
August 6 or August 8?
Well,
Attorney
anyway,
Santos.
huh?
Your Honor, hindi ko po kabisado kung ano yung exact
Obviously, what I'm looking for are the minutes of your meeting which specifically dealt on the application of the CGTA law on Mr. Sanchez. Meron bang ganon?
I have no
Ha?
I have no
Wala?
knowledge, Your Honor.
You have no knowledge.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you have submitted all the minutes of MSEC during the pertinent period.
Yes, Your Honor.
And we have to check the records whether or not the MSEC specifically went over the eligibility of Mr. Sanchez on the good conduct time allowance. Okay. Meron ba?